Oops, I think there's something extra. Yeah, here. Let me change the screen. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Now I got everything. So we're asked to graph the solution and write the interval, write the set and interval notation. So a solution in math is where we get the variable by itself. We want just x by itself or y by itself or something like that. So x isn't by itself in what we call this compound inequality. Okay, x has a plus 4 happening to it. So we can get x by itself by doing the opposite, make that 4 disappear. But with compound inequalities, you've got to do it to 2 other sections to keep it balanced. If you're going to subtract this section by 4, you're going to subtract this section and this section by 4. So negative 6 minus 4. If you owe $6, you spend $4. Now you owe $10. Then 4 minus 4 makes 0. So now we have a solution. We can graph it. We want to use the parentheses button in ALEKS, not the bracket, because this doesn't have a line underneath. If it did, we'd use the bracket. So I'm going to go to negative 10. I'm going to use the parentheses button and click right there in ALEKS. And then same thing over here, use the parentheses button. So that shows the solution is somewhere between these numbers, not including negative 10 and 0. And in interval notation, it's really easy when you have the graph. Interval notation, you just write what you see up here. I see a parentheses when I read it from left to right. The parentheses starts at negative 10. And we put a comma and the parentheses ends at 0. That's interval notation.